CMR knows him can't call my phone. CMR cannot call my phone because the first thing, listen, me not block him, but him just cannot call me. And if he do call me, me just not go fucking answer. Him know what him do, him conscience must have bother him. Him know what him do, him a big man. Him a big man, me just a start like, me not really know nothing about, you know, me not grow up on the street like that. You understand? But him know what him do, and him know. In a film head, him fucking know what him do, you understand? So me don't even come here to come explain nothing to nobody. Cause him can't call my phone, cause if him call me not gonna answer. Cause why more call me and say, you really go live and tell people my business, like, and that him more call me and say, why could I possibly have to say it to me? Why could I possibly have to say to me, like, and why would I want to hear what I have to say? Like, this nigga done help to fuck me up more mental, like, me have mental issues and he make it worse. So at this time, like, listen, me really and truly, let me tell you guys something. I have depression, right? I've been traveling with depression for a while. For years, I have depression. I'm a victim of rape. I get raped already. Friends set me up. I have PTSD. I have all of that. All of the mental illness, I have them. I have anxiety. My anxiety depends 100. Very, very high. So like me trusting this man. Me trust this man, come here and say, oh, I don't think he would do stuff to me. Like, this nigga knew everything when I go through. Me literally stuck and tell him, I've been abused, I've been raped, I lost my 2 babies. Like, I literally lost 2 babies, 2 girls. And like, me have really bad depression because them something that bother me, you understand? But like, what him do to me, it make it worse, cause like I literally thought I trusted him. I literally think me did trust him. Me did think me trust him, but I really didn't. Like, it was just my subconscious mind, you know. It was really my subconscious mind. You can't trust people. I been a hear this. All my ex-boyfriend tell me, so you can't trust people, bro. I left my relationship with him. I move on. I mean, I still idiot. Like, me still stupid to certain things. Me still soft to certain things. Because from my ex-boyfriend experience, me should have wise up and say, oh, no man can do this or that to me again. And it's the same thing when me just wicked. Hi Kyla, what's up? Me just see a comment in the section, but me see I reply to somebody. Me not quite sure what you say. But